Have you ever wondered how your favorite products travel from one corner of the world directly to your doorstep, seamlessly and without a hitch? Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of global logistics network, where efficiency meets security in logistics like never before. Global Logistics Network isn't just another name in the logistics sector. We are transforming how businesses around the globe handle supply chain management with our cutting-edge blockchain technology and smart contracts. Imagine every step of your shipping requirement, from freight forwarding to customs clearance and last-mile delivery, managed under one roof with full transparency and reliability. Our decentralized Web3 platform ensures that every transaction is secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. What makes us truly unique? Our automated smart contracts facilitate seamless logistics processes, fostering trust and reducing time delays. No more worrying about the complexities of international trade laws or potential gridlocks in your supply chain. We offer tailored solutions that fit exactly what your business needs. Still on the fence? Consider this. One of our clients, a leading electronics manufacturer, reduced their logistics costs by 20% after switching to our services. Our commitment doesn't end at delivering your goods. We track every shipment in real time until it safely reaches its destination. And the best part? Getting started is as easy as visiting our website. Just navigate to the Services section, provide details about your logistics requirements, and we'll craft a customized plan just for you. From agreeing to smart contract terms to tracking your shipment every step of the way, Global Logistics Network ensures that your logistics needs are not just met, but exceeded. Why settle for less when you can work with the best? Contact us today or through international services at glenetwork.co.in. Don't let logistics challenges slow down your business's potential. Join the revolution and optimize your supply chain with Global Logistics Network. Because when it comes to efficient global logistics, there's no one better equipped to help you soar.